everybody, happy Wednesday. This little composition is one I did the other day in memory of a friend. A little bird sang in the tree, such a charming melody. Years on end was there for me. Joy in life was meant to be. And though I knew the day would come, she would fly back to her home. The empty branch that she was on aches in silence since she's gone. Fly, bird, fly to the endless sky. Don't look back. Fly, bird, fly. At first blush, the saddest day, as we watched her fly away. Don't look back, I prayed, fly true. One day we'll fly to be with you. Fly, bird, fly to the endless sky. Don't look back. Fly, bird, fly.